Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear little friends. How are you all today? I hope you're feeling fantastic. Guess what? Today we have a super fun and exciting lesson from Zara Publications' new Howard series for English Nursery. So are you ready to learn something new and amazing? Let's begin.
Introduction of J sound. J is the 10th letter of the alphabet. It makes the Ju sound just like in jug. Open your mouth slightly and say, Ju, Ju, Ju. Try it with me. Word recognition. J for jug, a container for pouring water. J for Jeep, a strong car for rough roads. J for jelly, a soft and sweet dessert. J for jet, a fast-flying airplane. Can you think of more words that start with J? Writing practice. Let's trace and write J and J. Follow the dotted lines carefully and practice both uppercase J and lowercase j. Say Ju every time you write it. Activity, beginning sound recognition. Look at the pictures below and write the first letter. 1 jogger, write J2 jam, write J3 juice, write J4 jackal, write J great job. You're learning fast. More vocabulary. Here are some more words that begin with J, jackal, a wild animal, jam, a sweet fruit spread, juice, a refreshing drink, jogger, a person who runs for exercise, jacket, a warm piece of clothing, January, the first month of the year. Wow, you did an amazing job learning about the letter J. Now you can recognize, write, and say the J sound. Keep practicing and soon you'll know all the letters. Next time we'll explore another exciting letter. See you soon. Bye-bye.